learned how to drive the backhoe. First time for that. Loving farm life. Living the best one I can live.